Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anushruti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. Today is yet another important video that is about frozen shoulder exercises. What is frozen shoulder? आपको अपना जब शोल्डर हाथ जब आप उठाते हैं तब आपके शोल्डर में पेन होता है. You are not able to take your hand to the front side, you are not able to rotate your hand, आप उसको बहुत ऊपर तक नहीं उठा पाते हैं. आपकी ये सारी जो मूवमेंट्स है ये सारी जब रेस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाती है, दैट कंडीशन इज नोन एज फ्रोजन शोल्डर. तो अगर आपको ये सब दिक्कत है दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू रोटेट योर हैंड, टेक योर हैंड, अपलिफ्ट योर हैंड, इंटरनल रोटेशंस नहीं है, देन यू आर प्रिवेलिंग थ्रू फ्रोजन शोल्डर. Frozen shoulder has now become a very common thing. We all go through it. Sometimes we have acute frozen shoulder, sometimes we have chronic. Acute मतलब अभी कुछ टाइम से हुआ है. Chronic बहुत लंबे समय से आपका शोल्डर नहीं उठ पा रहा है, हाथों की मूवमेंट नहीं हो पा रही है. तो for that reason today I am here with a video to tell you some exercises that you can do at your home for your frozen shoulder. So let's not waste time and enter the video and let's see what are those exercises that can get you relief from your frozen shoulder. So for the first exercise we will use a towel or a napkin, whatever you have. Now what you need to do is you need to take the towel, keep it like this on a wall. You need a wall, you need a towel or a napkin, and then put your hand on 180 degree. Straight हाथ रखेंगे आप तो आपका होगा. अगर आप ऐसे ऐसे करेंगे then effect will go to your elbow. तो हमें elbow ठीक नहीं करना है. We need to cure the shoulder. So I will demonstrate you how to do it. You will hold the napkin or the towel. You will keep it like this, straight. और इसको धीरे धीरे ऊपर ले जाते हुए अपने पैर को पास लाना है और इसको ऐसे लेके जाना है this way. फिर वापस आना है. You need to come back to the position and then do it again. धीरे धीरे जाते जाते आपको जाना है. ना वो यू विल सी दैट आपका शोल्डर इसमें बहुत काम कर रहा है. शोल्डर इज डूइंग सो मच. सी नाउ इफ यू हैव पेन इन योर लेफ्ट शोल्डर यू विल डू विद योर लेफ्ट हैंड. कीप इट स्ट्रेट. रिमेंबर वी डोंट नीड टू डू ऑफ एल्बो एक्सरसाइज. वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन शोल्डर. सो कीप इट स्ट्रेट एंड देन स्टार्ट. जस्ट टेक इट स्लोली. Put your leg closer to the wall and then bring it back to the original position. Initially it will hurt, it will pain, but you need to access, you need to gain your range of motion. So you need to do it. Now the next exercise will also need a napkin or a towel. What you will do is, you will keep it in your hand, turn around, keep it straight, keep your hand straight. This way hand should be straight and then take it above and start rolling it on the wall this way. Slowly, slowly, as much as you can lift your hand, you have to do it and you need to do it around 10 repetitions I would say, or according to your pain. Slowly you will do this and your muscles over here will get relief. In the next exercise, we'll change the form of the towel or the napkin you have. Now what you need to do is, pick it up, turn around for the demonstration. Now pick it from this side. I know it would create a lot of pain. You might need someone's help, but this is very important to do. जिस भी हाथ में सबसे कम दर्द है आपको, या इसमें नहीं है इसमें है, तो टेक इट्स हेल्प. उस हाथ का आपको हेल्प लेना है. नाउ पुल इट फ्रॉम दिस साइड एंड देन फ्रॉम दिस साइड. जितना हो पाता है, वट एवर इज योर रेंज ऑफ मोशन, वट एवर इज योर एबिलिटी, जस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू इट यू नीड टू पुल इट स्लोली. You can do it 10 repetitions. See how beautifully it is being done. Dheere dheere you need to pull it. Now a very easy exercise that you can do anytime. Even if your pain is very at initial position, you can do it. Hold the towel like this. Make a fist in the front direction. Always remember to keep your hands straight because we are focusing on the shoulder and not on the elbow. Like this. Close. Just straight from your shoulder. Slowly take it above your head. I would say as much as you can. अगर your hand is going this much, इतना जाता है, take it this side और धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा ऊपर, फिर थोड़ा और ऊपर, फिर थोड़ा और ऊपर, and then go down. See. You can do this anywhere. If your pain is at initial stage, you can do this any time of the day. Slowly and slowly. 5 to 10 repetitions of this exercise is enough. You can do this yourself. Keep your hands straight. Motion slow. Fist tight. Beautiful. So coming to the next exercise, finger ladder. What you need to do is your hands, your fingers will walk on a ladder. Suppose this is a ladder. Your wall is a ladder. Okay, you can't have equipments at your home. So I'm telling you the exercises in a way that you can do it. You can perform it at your home. Take your hand, your fingers. Keep your hands straight. Just keep your hands straight and do this way, then come back. The best exercise I would say to perform for frozen shoulder. Do it as much as your range of motion is. Slowly increase your range of motion. When you are stuck at here, come back and then move ahead a little more. Every time, try to move ahead. This will give you pain relief. This will give you soothing sensation in your shoulder. Make sure your hands are straight because we are not focusing on the elbow and we are focusing on the shoulder. Now just like the previous method, we can also attain the range of motion in this manner. Okay. Earlier we did the above and the down, up and down. We'll do side by side. Make sure you make the fist tight, hands straight. Now move it side and side. Side and side. This is how you can get relief from frozen shoulder very quickly, very easily. Great. So we have come to an end of the video. All these exercises of frozen shoulder can be done any time of the day whenever you are feeling frozen shoulder, and make sure you have a person to assist you if you are having a very difficult time to rotate your hand and uplift your hand for better guidance. So this was the end. I do hope you enjoyed the video and the exercises would be fruitful for you in some manner. Maybe it will be painful initially, but I would say to try and try. It will take some time if your range of motion is totally gone to attain it back. But try your best. Do all the exercises I have demonstrated and you'll feel better. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, wear your mask and stay healthy.